saying that School for One version 1.3.6 was super cool. That statement was questioned, and now I'm gonna essentially prove that School for One is version 1.3.7 is indeed super cool. I'm gonna start with reason number 3. Reason number 3 is multiple choice. I'm gonna show you here, as a teacher, when you create a new lesson and you select task, you're going to create a multiple choice task. When creating a multiple choice task, I'm going to start from scratch. Ask A, B, C. I will have the option of setting the number of questions I want, the correct answers, setting up standards for each one of the questions. And the cool thing is that when the students answer, they answer also multiple choice. So actually they get auto-graded. And when they get auto-graded, as a teacher, you get a really cool report saying, for each question, what students answered and what were their mistakes. And that you can get by question and by standard. So that's reason number 3. Reason number 2 is the new search. The new search, when as a teacher you create a new lesson, and when I add a standard and you select search assignment, you will have all this content for the teacher to create lessons. And there's a few interesting things here. First, if you do a long press, it will show you the details on a preview of the resource, and you will be able to have a good idea of what it is. When there's here a pen and a chain, that means it's a link assignment, and these link assignments will be graded automatically. So you can send them to the students and you will get automatic grading for those. So reason number 1 is shapes. So students and teachers, when creating new recordings or PDF files, they will be able to select from the new shapes. The new shapes are flexible, so they are not the rigid shapes we used to have. So that allows a whole new range of math problems and descriptions and very specific depictions of generating graphics. Also notice that these shapes can be filled. So I can make like a fill circle of a color on whatever size I choose to. That's super cool, right? So those are the 3 main reasons why School for One version 1.3.7 is super cool. But I have more reasons why School for One is so cool in this later release, and I'm gonna have 2 extra reasons. Reason A is the fingerprint logging. If you have an iPad that supports Touch ID, you will have here the little fingerprint button. When you select the fingerprint button and you use your fingerprint, it will give you all the identities this iPad has logged in with, and you can log in really easy without having to remember your password or type in your password. And extra reason number B is share extension. The share extension is something we built that allows you to use from a different app, you will be able to, for example, in this case I'm in Photos, I can select here in the top right, Share, and I will select School for One. And when I select School for One, as a teacher, I will be able to create a lesson from this, a task from this resource. In this case, I'm going to go to my test class, and I can put it into a lesson, and this will create, and I'm going to type some action here. Look at this, upload, and that will create a lesson from Photos or from any other app that supports the Share extension. So those are the reasons why School for One version 1.3.7 is so cool. I think this is proof. Goodbye. Oh, I forgot one slide. Boom.